To me, salads are a celebration of nature. Nothing beats a glorious, self-pampering homemade salad. The potato salad travels so well, perfect for picnics, school lunches, or for work. Everyone loves it. Fresh, crunchy, and deliciously satisfying for body, mind, and soul. This recipe is a mismatch of my husband's childhood potato salad, combined to what I grew up eating as a child in England, and now what my own son makes for his lunchbox for work. The potato salad has come full cycle. It is one of the most iconic salads and a firm family favorite. Slice red onions into the still hot potatoes. There's nothing like strong pickles fermented in brine to give a tangy bite and crunch. You know me, I need greens. One thing my hubby insists in his potato salad are peas. I use frozen. Quick tip, I defrost them in boiling hot water. Soak and they're good to go. Peas add a lovely green color. You could add whatever herb you happen to have in the kitchen. It could be parsley, dill, coriander, spring onions, whatever's green. A big dollop of creamy homemade mayo. Highly recommend you make your own mayonnaise. Takes only 2 minutes, literally just 4 ingredients: egg, salt, oil, and vinegar. 5 if you want to put in mustard. And that's it. Gently mix the ingredients. Careful not to break the potatoes. Best results is to cook the potatoes just done, even a little under firm, so they won't turn to mash when you stir them. I use a folding motion, much like folding an egg white for a cake. Potato salad should be eaten cold, not warm, and certainly not hot. A timeless classic needs no introduction. Everyone knows its name. Enjoy. Till next time. Happy cooking. If you enjoyed any of my recipes, please hit the subscribe button. You have no idea how much it helps me. Click the like and see you next time. Happy cooking.